Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope that you can join me in appreciating this truly beautiful evening, a night that is absolutely ideal for a game of football. The scenes here really are something, a beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport around here, not the kindest, but regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre and the decibel levels are rising. We are in this super stadium for a super club, truly one of the iconic buildings of 21st century sport, the Allianz Arena. We stand for the national anthem of France. Quite some performance, and now here comes the response. According to what we've been told, this is how it looks. It's 4-3-3.
Yeah, Peter, you can look at this formation 1 minute and think that it is 4-3-3, and the next time you check, it'll be 4-5-1. And it's all to do with whether you've got the ball or not, and the wider attacking players being asked to apply defensive discipline too. When it does turn to a 5 across midfield, then the shape of this team takes on a much tidier, compact defensive look.
So it's down to business here. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Tricky, but Karim Benzema. What impresses me about the Frenchman is his willingness to keep going for the team, even on days when it's not as fluid. And I think that has a knock-on effect, and it sets the tone for that little bit of extra grittiness.
Yeah, hard to see past him. He'll be looking to put on a show, I'm certain of that. Camavinga. Benzema. Out to the right.
Pavard really added the width there thanks to his willingness to make the run.
Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Looking to break out here. Good running, strong and purposeful. Pavard. Now it's Benzema. And here's Griezmann. Benzema, in with a header! Now that's caused a worry or two.
Mbappe did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
And that's a throw-in. Moved forward and quickly so. Foot in. Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense defending. Away from immediate danger. Oh, that's a key interception. Rabiot. Mbappe. France looking to shot a goal! Goal! France! There is the breakthrough! Really tidily gathered and ultimately a more than tidy finish.
Well, the finish looked a guarantee once he was found all alone, and it's criminal defending.
France break through nice and early, just as they wanted it. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Knocks it away. And that's been won straight back. Hernandez.
Well, Peter, look how far up...
Mbappe! It's run loose. Who's going to get there?
Can't be expected to deliver anything better than that. This is heroic keeping.
Pavard.
Well, I wouldn't quite advise they should resort to risk-taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left yet.
Oh, the ball's run loose here. Shifted upfield. Tries a shot! A great save, real class.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra-sharp.
Hernandez, he's got away. Lovely feet. It's Griezmann! Just off target.
I think his face smacks of disbelief as opposed to disappointment. He thought he was about to score.
He's shifting through the gears here. Now it's Benzema. Camavinga. Oh, what a Griezmann! And collective relief etched on the faces of the defenders.
Well, I think the opposition was pretty sloppy in creating a problem for themselves then, but he was onto it so quickly and very nearly made them pay.
And it's been taken short. And it's Rabiot. And now they can spring out of defence. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Just a talking to, I think. Yes, it is. Koundé gets it away. Great work on the overlap. Cross is blocked, and that's a corner. They've played it short, and that's played in low. France can counter promptly here. It's a good battle, bicep to bicep. That pass has been well intercepted. Defenders on the back foot. Now it's Benzema. Camavinga. Now it's Camavinga. Towering enormously behind.
Oh, no, that was a chance. What a chance.
Benzema, Griezmann, Camavinga, and it's Benzema to Rabiot. Sends it forward. Saliba. Now, who's in for the pieces? It's in! Two to the good! They have breathing space! Benzema was quick to move in. The keeper's handling wasn't great.
Well, I admire players who do that because they just don't give up on anything.
France take a 2-goal lead and things should be comfortable from here on in.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Camavinga. Looks to the other side. Hernandez. That is a brilliant interception. Benzema delivering the goods as expected.
Well, having that sort of player in your side is reassuring because the rest of the team knows he can make his influence count at any stage. It's simply part of his package. When he really wants to, this fella scores.
Oh, great defending, that needed doing.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Played out to the left flank. Great leap! Yes! And again, they simply do not know what has hit them. No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Well, he had to deal with an awful lot of unwanted attention, but his tenacity won the day.
And things are starting to look awfully cosy.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Benzema. Shapes to shoot. Great strike. The test for the keeper.
Benzema put absolutely everything he had into that. Maybe better look next time.
To meet it! A really close shave and the last action of the first half. So no shortage of thrills, no shortage of fireworks, but all very one-sided. We appear perhaps headed for a cricket score at this rate, unless there is a significant change in fortune. It is 3-0 at half-time. Whistle goes, and we start the second half. So, 45 minutes to turn it round. Oh no, no circumventing this opponent. Kamavinga opts for safety. Pavard. Oh, strongly challenged there. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. And it's Rabiot. Spread out to the left. Climbs up big! He got the hard part right, but the rest wrong. The message is clear, none shall pass. Griezmann, and here's Benzema. It's Benzema! And he's done very well to deal with it.
Well, I think a little eagerness just got the better of him. He may have been thinking about back page headlines there.
It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. Oh, he's not going to get any further than that. And it's Griezmann. Now then, the ball's come loose. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
Well, it's not a surprise to see that these days, all part of a forward's duties.
That's a nicely weighted pass. Corner it is. Have their second corner now. Pavard with the clearance. And now a sudden chance to counter. Benzema, 2 goals to his name already. Oh, good spread. Aimed in towards the centre. And it's been taken short. And here's Griezmann. Cross into the box. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Well, the ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances. It is no contest, it is a landslide. One perfect ball, one perfect header.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle, but that was beautifully met, it really was.
And that means just one thing, match ball.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about
He's had a hit! Now, who's going to be first to this? No way through, so back it comes. Played out towards the right wing. Now the counter. Oh, he's felt that, hasn't he? Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And the referee has shown him a yellow card. This looks like a more than decent chance to strike. A real chance then to ease this unpleasant predicament. Rabiot. Hernandez. Rabiot. Hernandez.
They've been denied a chance to defend.
Great hit! Fiddles it through. Plays it in low. Cross deflected over the goal line for a corner. So, third corner of the game. They've played it short. Drilled in low. France can start a counter here. And it's Benzema. Now it's Mbappe. Oh, shooting chance! Oh, denied at the last. Amat can get it clear. And now they can spring out of defence. Interesting ball. Calmly anticipates. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
He is through here.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
Skims one in. And through to the goalkeeper. Griezmann. Benzema. Griezmann. Great ball, and he's in here. And the ball's come loose here. Oh, right on the edge of the penalty area. What's he giving here? The referee's decided that he was fouled outside the box, and it is just a free kick.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score. And obviously, he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
He's got the shot away! They've scored! And this is getting ridiculous, borderline crazy.
Well, I think we've reached the point when even damage limitations is no longer an option.
It's become a case of men against boys. 5 minutes left on the clock. Offside, yes it is. Camavinga. Pavard. Pavard drives forward on the overlap. He is just caressing the ball. Griezmann! Oh, almost a sixth. Nice physical challenge. No, he wasn't going to let him past. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. Good spot, he's seen the run.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
Benzema wins the duel this time. Played back in. Griezmann. Hernandez. He's left his man. Short changes him with that pass. And that will be the final act. And that gets things running. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
I see this guy Pavard as one of the best right-backs in the world, although he always states his desire to play in a more central position, especially when it comes to carrying the ball forward. He's extremely adept, and let's see how well he links up with players ahead of him, Peter. He's very smart. Keep an eye on him at times.
Okay, interesting. Knocks it away. He's cut it out. And now they can spring out of defence. Great defending, strong and determined. Calmly anticipates. Griezmann. Mbappe. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Rabiot. Back into the middle. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
And that was very necessary. And it's Benzema. Pavard. Pinches it off him. Deftly done. Spread neatly. Brilliantly cut out. Keeper's got good distance on that. And it's played forward. Chouameni.
France really are pushing their fullbacks forward now.
Aiming to do what?
Well, it's a case of engaging your opponents further up the pitch to take the sting out of opposition attacks. It's effectively a wide press.
And Mbappe! It's off target and by quite a way.
Mbappe put absolutely everything he had into that. Maybe better look next time.
Well, that's well seen too. Well, that's an inviting ball. Looking for options for movement. Pavard. He's in plenty of space here. And he skips past his man. And the ball is out of play. Rabiot. Koundé shifted upfield. 0-0 still, and little doubt about which manager will be the happier right now. Pavard was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. And here's Benzema.
Well, that was well positioned and well pinched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
He's left his man. Well, he had a really good run at goal there, but the defence just weren't going to let him past. Hernandez goes on a run down the left wing. Certain amount of room for debate here, but a goal kick's been given. Hernandez. Griezmann. And it's Benzema. Knocks it out wide. And he's going to be disappointed with that. Plays a delicate ball. Oh, that's a key interception. And here's Benzema. Defenders on the back foot. Threads one in. Was nice, but not quite the end product required.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
Sends it forward.
France are totally dominant in the middle of the park, and no way through zone.
Played out towards the right wing. That's very neat. So what can they make of this? Moved on forwards. He's shifting through the gears here. That's going to go a long way. Griezmann. Nice sequence of passes, this. Oh, good spread. That's a throw. Many, and it's Rabiot. Aimed in towards the centre, shapes to shoot! Rabiot! A real chance and a real let-off.
Oh, he was first to react, and I love that part of it. The reaction was great, and he almost profited, you know.
He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. He's a sharp little ball here. Fires it in low. Hits one! Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
Forwards and with intent. Now it's Mbappe. Hernandez. And the ball's a good one here. Good spot, he's seen the run. Oh, that's well spotted. Saliba, gently done. And it's Benzema. Benzema, chance! He's done very well to get to that.
Benzema sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
And it's been taken short. And now a sudden chance to counter. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Hernandez. Rabiot. proves too strong. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
Yeah, listen, we often get critical of a forward's tackle, but that was squeaky clean.
Great chance! And it's a goal! A goal at a really telling moment.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
So the deadlock broken by the underdogs. Koundé. And there's the end of the first half. So the end of the first half, both teams have had their moments. There's been no shortage of talking points, but there has been just one goal, and that is the state of it at the break. 1-0. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, at the moment, Peter, this smacks of an upset, but against more illustrious opponents, this is not a done deal. Half-time will be welcome for very different reasons.
Leading 1-0 at the break. And the action has already resumed here.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball.
It's got in! He's put through his own net!
Well, that wasn't in the script, and you have to feel for him, Peter. It's ended in some embarrassment.
Fortuitous as it may have been, they all count one. Clearly not happy with that. Lloris is there to take. Hernandez fiddles it through. Mbappe is in a really good position out. Chance for the header! Oh, just couldn't turn it in.
You really could have done with engaging those crosses much higher up the pitch there. This isn't good defending.
Griezmann plays it short. Koundé, and here's it's Benzema! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Well, Peter, he clearly felt he was being invited to shoot, and it wasn't the worst decision he could have made.
Well, it just petered out. No penetration at all, having had a great deal of the ball. Griezmann. Oh, that's well done, really robust. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Well, the manager here is telling his defence to come right back, I think.
Well, I think he's telling them that they need to get a little more cautious here, because it's clear he doesn't want them just chasing and running down everything. He wants a little more conservatism to kick into this game.
And he's there to clear it.
Well, that's the first attempt, Peter, we've seen at one of those raking passes just to spread the play.
Lovely bit of skill. Pavar. Camavinga. And here's the chance to counter. Interesting ball. And he's onside. And that's played in low. Move forward and quickly so. Hernandez. Here's Tromeni. Mbappe gets flagged offside.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
And it's Benzema. He's a sharp little ball here. Oh, shooting chance! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Mbappe controlled that with such ease and really ought to have followed it up with a goal.
He's in here! Camavinga. Griezmann. He could be in here. Pavar. Griezmann. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. No, that's been intercepted. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
And here's Benzema. Now, who's going to be first to this? And they're not going to make any further progress now. Pavar. Now here's the delivery. And that has been cleared.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Some good work on the right flank here. And he's picked out the run. He is through here. He's got the shot away! Oh, surely that deserved better.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
Attempts a clearance.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
The ball is loose and the chase is on. That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Repelled. France get it back again. Pavar. Can he finish? Goal! France! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. Mbappe was quick to move in. The keeper's handling wasn't great.
Yeah, his instinct told him that the keeper would struggle to cope with that, so top marks for him following up. I think it's really sharp play, it was well read, and he was a little quicker than everybody else.
France can make their change now with a break in play.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
France go into the lead.
Well, I think you can write this lot off at your peril. It's been a joy to watch them hold themselves right back into it. Now, can they hang on?
France making consecutive changes here.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
And it's been taken straight back. No unnecessary risks, and the game is petering out here. And it's Griezmann. Griezmann! Big relief, it just needed better contact. Played out to the right, played back in.
Well, they shouldn't be dawdling at this stage. They need to get the ball in the mixer, and quickly.
He's beaten the last man. He can get that clear. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Just eases him off the ball. Fourth official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. Kamavinga, he's played him through. And that will be the final act.